Apple may refresh its entire iPad lineup in 2024, report. Apple is expected to launch iPad, iPad mini and iPad Air in early 2024, while the iPad Pro with M3 chip is expected to launch in the first half of the year. Apple might refresh its iPad lineup sometime in 2024. This means we might finally see a new iPad, iPad Pro, iPad Air and the pocket-friendly iPad mini powered by the latest chipsets in a few months from now. The news comes from Bloomberg's Gurman, who recently speculated that Apple will launch the updated iPad, iPad Air and the iPad mini sometime in March next year. However, we might have to wait a while for the 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Pro models with M3 chipsets and OLED screens, as they are expected to launch in the first half of the year. Ever since Apple unveiled the first tablet in 2010, the tech giant has been launching new iPads every year. But 2023 might be the first time we might not see a new iPad. While the iPad mini 7 will have the same design as its predecessor, Apple will opt for a new faster chipset. Similar to the iPad mini, Apple might go with newer chips on the entry-level iPad. However, there are no other details about the upcoming iPad mini and iPad. For those looking for a new iPad Air, the tech giant is reportedly working on two variants that are different in size and specs. As for the iPad Pro, the upcoming tablet is expected to sport the recently unveiled M3 chipset and a redesigned Magic Keyboard. For those not in the loop, Apple launched refreshed versions of the iPad, iPad Pro and iPad Air back in 2022, while the iPad mini was last updated in September 2021 with a design overhaul, featuring an A15 Bionic chipset.